In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to propagate some basil without any fancy equipment. First of all, you are going to need to cut off the top part of one of your pre-existing basil plants. Preferably, you are going to want to cut it at one of these intersections, so there where the leaves are coming out, like there for example. Then next up, you're going to remove all the lower leaves on your cutting to provide space for the roots to grow out of and to prevent any of the lower leaves that are going to be sitting in the water from rotting. You're going to put it right in the water, and after a couple of weeks you're going to have something a little bit like this. You don't need to wait quite this long for this many roots, just a couple are enough, but this will also work just fine. From here you grab your soil, create a little bit of a hole in it, and take it simply as is, pop it in there, tuck it in a little bit, and you are good to go.